Hi, Jack Bennett here. Welcome to the Big Drum. Today I'm going to show you the beat that I was just playing then, which is... Okay, it's a really simple pattern, but it sounds pretty cool. It's basically using the two sound level concept. The sticking pattern is very simple. All that I'm doing is playing a basic unit, like a core unit of right accent, followed by two ghost notes with the left hand. So right, left, left, right, left, left. Okay, that's the pattern that I'm using. Yes, it's a pattern of 3, but we're going to use it within 16th notes. Okay, so let's just put the right hand accents on the hi-hats and keep the left hand tap strokes or ghost notes on the snare. Okay, I'm playing on the edge of the hi-hats with the shoulder of the stick to get a thick sound. And here the non-accents are just getting a very soft. Okay, let's just start out with that pattern, just going 1 E and A, 2 E and A, 3 E and A, 4 E and A, 1. Okay, so you play that unit the whole way through the bar, except at the end, 1 E and A, 2 E and A, 3 E and A, 4 E and A, 1. Okay, you get 4 E and A, 1. So you play a double both on the edge, and that brings us round to the next bar. 1 E and A, 2 E and A, 3 E and A, 4 E and A, 1. Okay. The next thing I like to do from there is just put the bass drum on the quarter note just to give it a bit of a reference, and we get this. 3, 4. Okay, a little slower. Okay, you can either play at the end that double with the right hand going, or you can play it with the bass drum. Okay, so I'll demonstrate it first with the right hand. Now with the bass drum. Okay, just a variation. From there, once you can play that, the idea is to move the right hand accents around the kit. I like to typically play a couple on the hi-hat to start with, and then either bring the right hand over and play an accent on the snare as a rim shot, or move it around the toms, making sure that I'm still keeping those soft notes with the left hand really, really soft. Okay, so things like this. Okay, so you're just getting that the whole way through. You can do a couple on the hi-hats, then the snare, and then back to the hi-hats, so keeping it just like a more of a regular groove idea. Or move it around the kit. So make sure when you're practicing this idea that you are subdividing 16th notes in your head. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3. Yes, we are using a unit of 3 notes. Okay, but that doesn't mean that we have to play it as triplets. You can see in this application here, in this beat, we're using a unit of 3 notes within 16th notes. Okay, within a 16th note groove. So that's a really common thing to do. Check it out, have a bit of fun with it, and remember, you can put the right hand anywhere around the kit. In fact, if you wanted to, you could even put, another variation is putting the ghost notes up on the hi-hats. Okay, so it then becomes things like this.